Meaning of house sparrow.
House sparrow.
House sparrow.
House sparrow.
House sparrow. The house sparrow, Passer domesticus, is a small bird that is widely distributed around the world. It has brown and gray feathers with black markings on its back, and distinctive black bibs on its chest. The male has brighter plumage than the female, with a gray crown and a black throat. These birds are commonly found near human settlements, as they feed on seeds and insects that are abundant in urban areas. In many cultures, they are considered to be a symbol of good luck or prosperity, but their populations have declined in some regions due to habitat loss and other factors.